Plane to Atlanta from Orlando. Engine was on fire. People came off the plane on these shoots. We just got here. Crazy stuff. We're all waiting here. You're gonna see it on the news probably. And
Holy shit.
Get out. Was that behind it? That's not the plane, right? Can't see it though. Can't. What is that? The wing? See how phone's on there.
There's obviously people on that plane.
Look at this plane people up.
There's never not anyone on the plane.
Southwest Airlines one shit. Now we're gonna catch it. Yeah, I'm going a little faster from you. Slide down. It's a 330.
Is it 350?
No, it's a 330.
I was about to say.
Christ.
I'm actually curious.
I'm going a little faster from you. Slide down. It's a 330.
Is it 350?
No, it's a 330.
I was about to say.